So I had a company gift us this Par Grill 3-shelf outdoor dining cart. So this is going to be great for my pizza oven. So let me jump into this box and we're going to check out the quality of the actual table cart itself, and then I'm going to go over some of the features. So as you can see, I got it all put together and I'm actually quite impressed with this unit. It is super sturdy. It has a lot of bracing under here, so that way it's not flimsy in any way. And you also have these extra supports at the very bottom here of the legs. Now what that's doing is making it like very secure. It also has 4 heavy duty wheels that do have the stoppers on it, so that way your cart's not just gonna go roaming on you. And some of the features on here are pretty cool. You do have this right here, which is gonna hold your paper towels. Now you do have the side bracket over here, and what that's for is for a garbage bag. It makes it so much easier when you're prepping things to just get rid of the garbage very easily. Now over here is a bottle opener, and on this side of the unit, they do have these little hooks, and that's just going to make it very convenient for you to hang any of your utensils that you're going to need. So they really have thought of everything. Now I do like the fact that they do have the 2 shelves, and they give you the option of putting the shelf down at this level as well. So if you don't want it as high up, you don't have to have it up high, you can put it down here. So not only is this built well, but it is made of a very heavy duty stainless steel, making this unit rust resistant. And with all the features on this unit, this company seriously thought of everything. So I'm really impressed.